Hey everyone, it's been a while since we gave you an update on our lake house build. To be honest, between working on this house and working our jobs that pay the bills, we're literally just working 7 days a week, and by the end of the day we're absolutely rat shit and don't get time to post. But I thought I'd give you a little update because things are starting to really come together on the extension now, which we're so excited about. So I'm going to give you a little tour of the space. Jess is just finishing up some plaster back there, but come and I'll show you around.
Cue all the comments. It's not any plaster.
Oh, who gives a shit? So this space here is going to be a little self-contained Airbnb space. That door there leads to our main house, which we'll have access to it, but I'll have a lock on it. Over here is going to be a little kitchenette area, but it's just going to be all open plan. Bed will be up here against the Leminex paneling. Hoping to have a beautiful Graphico wallpaper feature wall here. Off the front, we're going to have another deck, which will match the deck of the main house over there. So you can see our beautiful view. Doesn't do it justice. So we've got some more Leminex paneling here. This will be kind of the hallway. This is going to be the bathroom, which we're going to do this last. We're just using it as a storage area at the moment. So this room's a little bit messy still, but this is actually going to be a small guest bedroom. We've got our Leminex paneling there as well. That door leads to our lounge room. So this is part of the extension, part of the main house. Going to have a wardrobe in there once we finish that off. Now here we're going to have a door that locks, so only we can access. We're going to walk up these stairs. Jesse built these stairs. He's just so bloody clever. Now this is a space that I'm really excited about. This is the attic space, and this was just going to waste. This was just going to be an attic, and we thought, let's turn it into our studio, so our recording studio. So really excited about this space up here. Now this space is definitely going to be Dolly Parton themed. I think we're going to put a bit of a Dolly mural here, some cool wallpaper along here. We've got our Leminex paneling going across there. That's the stairs. Out here, the open area. This is going to have a wall across here, which will separate the downstairs area. This weird looking box here is actually the original roof of the house, so we obviously can't get rid of that. That'll just become like a little storage space. We're going to have some built-in lounges / what will become beds in here. And yeah, it's just going to be a cool little place for Jess and I to hang out.